everybody, this is X-Dude. Welcome back to X-Dude's Mystery Labs. Today we will be building a house for beginners, and it's not just for beginners, anyone basically. So, let me just say hello to Paw Mittens. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my world and I'll see you there. Hello, welcome back. Okay. This looks like a very nice place. I think I've already found one while I was coming down. Yep, just over here. It's a nice flat place to build my house. Okay. So we're just getting all the materials. My house is going to be birch. Oh, no, I didn't forget a door. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's not even birch. Oops, retry that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And just keep doing it. So, I count all of the blocks like that. And then this should be the foundation. Now, if you want it to look nice with like wood on the sides, swap the corners with birch or whatever wood you're using. Put 4 up. Basically 5 up, but yeah. So you can do whatever you want with your house after the build's finished. I forgot to do the floor, hang on. So I'm just doing the windows now. Now I'm doing the floor, I just forgot about it. So now I'm just doing the rest of the floor, and then we'll do another layer of glass. And then I'll just put some wood there. I don't tend to like to put glass all over the top of the door. Just doesn't look, just doesn't look normal, you know what I mean? Okay, so that's basically done. Just need to do couple more things. A few more things. Oops. Right. Oops. So just do the roof like this, get some stairs. And what I do is I fill it in like this. I think it's quicker, faster to do. If any of you have any more building techniques that you'd like to, any other building techniques you'd like to share, great. Please comment, I'd love to hear about it. Oops. Just filling in the rest of the roof at the moment. Almost done. Right. Right, almost finished, like 2 more layers. This one and the next layer to go, I'm pretty sure. Oops. Right. That looks nice. Well, oops. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you liked, subscribe if you loved, and I shall see you guys later.